In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your team in ClickUp. We'll set up a simple, effective team performance dashboard so you can see what's on track, what's overdue, and quickly tidy up due dates without leaving your workspace. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp. From the results, choose the official ClickUp website to open the app. Once you're in, we're going to create a team performance dashboard that gives you an at-a-glance view of your work, so you can manage without digging through lists and folders. Look to the left side navigation and click on Dashboards. This is the home for high-level insights and customizable widgets. Next, select New Dashboard. Rather than building everything from scratch, we'll save time by starting with a template. Templates come preloaded with useful widgets and layout choices, and you can always modify them later to fit how your team works. Choose the Project Management template. This one is great for tracking tasks, due dates, and overall workload. Click to apply it, then you'll be prompted to choose the specific space you want to monitor. Pick the space that contains the projects and tasks your team is actively working on. Focusing on a single space keeps your dashboard clean and relevant. When you're ready, click Create Dashboard. Your dashboard will load with a set of widgets. Right away, you'll see counts for how many tasks are open and how many are overdue. Open tasks show you the current workload. Overdue tasks highlight where attention is needed. If you see a spike in overdue items, it's a signal to follow up, rebalance assignments, or adjust timelines. Most widgets include filters for things like assignee, status, or date range, which helps you zero in on specific people or time periods without changing your underlying data. You can also adjust due dates on individual tasks directly from here. Click into a task that needs attention, open its due date field, and select a realistic date that aligns with your team's capacity. Consider bumping dates in small increments to keep momentum, and add a brief note so assignees know what changed and why. Consistency matters. Try to align due dates with sprint cycles or team check-ins, and avoid setting multiple major deadlines on the same day to reduce bottlenecks. That's it. You searched for ClickUp, opened the app, went to Dashboards, created a new one using the Project Management template, targeted a specific space, and now you can monitor open and overdue tasks and refine due dates on the spot. With this in place, you'll spend less time hunting for information and more time helping your team deliver.